Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you a delicious chicken pulao in caterers style. So without wasting any time, let's begin. To make this recipe, add butter in a cooking pot as well as add required amount of oil. You could also make it using only oil, but adding butter to it enhances its taste. Let oil heats up nicely, then add few whole spices. Now add some curry leaves. If you really wanted to make it in a Mumbai's caterers style chicken pulao, so you must add curry leaves into it. Now add 3 medium sized sliced onion and saute it nicely until it turns into a nice golden color. Now add in 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic chili paste. Also add some green chilies as per your taste. I am using here one thick green chili which has nice aroma. Saute it nicely for 2 minutes. Then add potato to it. After adding potato, stir it for few seconds. Now add in 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add salt as per taste, handful of coriander leaves. Now saute all this thing well for few seconds. Here I have taken around 750 grams of chicken. After stirring chicken for few seconds, add few drops of kevra water to it. Now close its lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on a low to medium flame. Then after open the lid and check it. When you see oil on the top of it, add water to it. Here you have to adjust the water according to the rice. For 1 cup rice, I am taking here 1.5 cup of water, and also add the secret ingredient of this recipe, 1 cup of milk. Now add salt as per your taste. Before which I have added salt, that was to cook its masala, but now adding salt for the rice. Now close its lid and let it boil. Once boil comes to the water, add around 750 grams of rice to it, which I have soaked it for 1 hour. Here I have taken a long grain basmati rice. When you are making biryani or chicken pulao, the proportion of chicken and rice should always be equal, or else take 1/4 more proportion of rice than the chicken. Stir it nicely and let it cook on low to medium flame. When the water is getting dried, stir it one more time. Then on the top of it, add coriander leaves, fried brown onion, add food color, but it's optional. And at the end, here I have heat up some butter. Just pour this heated butter on the top of it and close its lid. And cook this on high flame for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, keep the gas flame low and cook it 10 more minutes. And that's it. Your delicious caterer style chicken pulao is ready to eat. If you find my video and my channel is interesting, please give a like to my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.